Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this short Excel video, I'll show you how to reveal formulas in a spreadsheet so you can check what's happening behind the scenes. Let's get started. Step 1. Why reveal formulas? Most of the time in Excel, you only see the results of formulas, like totals, averages, or calculations. But sometimes you need to actually see the formulas themselves to make sure they're correct or to troubleshoot issues. Step 2. Using the ribbon. Here's how to do it. Go to the Formulas tab. On the right-hand side, in the Formula Auditing group, click Show Formulas. As soon as you click it, Excel switches views and displays all formulas in your sheet. For example, you can now see where I've used subtotal functions and other calculations. From here, you can click any formula, view it in the formula bar, and make adjustments if needed. To go back to the normal view, just click Show Formulas again, and Excel will hide the formulas and show only the results. Step 3. The keyboard shortcut. Like many of Excel's best features, there's also a faster way, using the keyboard. Click on any cell that contains a formula, then press Ctrl plus apostrophe. That's Control, and the apostrophe key, the key just to the left of Enter. This shortcut will instantly reveal the formula in the selected cell. One thing to note: this shortcut works only for a single cell at a time. If you select multiple cells, it won't reveal them all at once. But for checking or editing a specific formula, it's very quick. Once you're done inspecting, just click away, and Excel goes back to showing the results. And that's how you reveal formulas in Excel, either by using the Show Formulas button or the Control apostrophe shortcut. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this tip helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll get notified when I post new tutorials.